Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about the Power Pressure Cooker XL E3 error, its causes, and how to fix the error. Let's get started. The Power Pressure Cooker XL E3 error is typically an indication that there is an issue with the pressure sensor. This could be caused by a variety of factors, such as a loose wire connection, a faulty sensor, condensation on the sensor, among other causes. The following are some of the causes of the Power Pressure Cooker XL E3 error. Faulty pressure sensor. The pressure sensor in the cooker may be defective or damaged, which can cause it to display an E3 error. Loose wire connection. If the wire connecting the pressure sensor to the control board is loose or disconnected, it can cause the E3 error to appear. Food debris or condensation buildup. If there is food debris or condensation buildup on the pressure sensor, it can interfere with its ability to accurately measure pressure and trigger the E3 error. Overfilled cooker. If the cooker is overfilled with food or liquid, it can create excess pressure that can cause the E3 error to appear. The cooker lid is not properly sealed. If the cooker lid is not properly sealed or the sealing ring is damaged, it can cause pressure to escape and trigger the E3 error. Now, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the Power Pressure Cooker XL E3 error. Check the pressure sensor. Make sure the pressure sensor is clean and free of any debris or buildup. If there is food debris or condensation on the sensor, clean it with a soft cloth. Check the wire connection. Ensure that the wire connecting the pressure sensor to the control board is properly connected and not loose. To check, unplug the cooker. Locate the wire connection. Check the connection by gently wiggling the wire connection to ensure it is secure and not loose. If it is loose, carefully reconnect it to the pressure sensor and control board. Plug in the cooker and test it to see if the E3 error has been resolved. Reduce the amount of food or liquid in the cooker. If the cooker is overfilled, remove some of the food or liquid to reduce the pressure. Check the sealing ring. Inspect the sealing ring to ensure it is properly installed and not damaged. Replace it if necessary. Thanks for watching.